Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you are doing well and are ready for the sixth session in this Agile and Scrum series. In this session, we will discuss in detail about the Scrum Accountabilities. The Scrum framework defines three accountabilities: Product Owner, Scrum Master, and the developers. Each one of them plays a critical role in delivering a successful product. Starting with Product Owner. The product owner focuses on what needs to be developed by the development team and what is the right thing to be worked upon with the aim of maximizing the value delivered. The Scrum Master is a change agent and helps in establishing the Scrum framework in the organization. The development team focuses on how to implement the requirements in the right manner by giving attention to the technical excellence. We will discuss about these accountabilities in detail in our upcoming sessions. Let us first understand what is a Scrum team. The Scrum team is a cross-functional and self-managed team. The Scrum team is committed to achieve the sprint and product goals. Collectively, the team members have all the necessary skills required to complete the requirements into working and shippable product increment. The team internally decides who does what, when, and how. Now, let us answer the question who all are part of the Scrum team. The Scrum team consists of team members who are collectively accountable for creating a valuable product increment and delivering maximum value to the end user or the customers. It consists of one Scrum Master, one product owner, and 8 or fewer developers. The maximum team size for any given Scrum team is less than equal to 10 team members. In case of large teams with more than 10 Scrum team members, the team members are reorganized and multiple cohesive teams are formed, all working towards achieving the same final goal and objectives. There are no hierarchies or sub-teams, and only 3 accountabilities are defined in Scrum: the Scrum Master, the Product Owner, and the developers. The development team consists of developers, coders, designers, testers, business analysts, architects, and all of them are referred to as developer in Scrum. The Scrum team is responsible and accountable for all the product related activities from the stakeholder collaboration to the product releases. It is a cohesive unit of professionals focused on one objective at any given time. Again, the Scrum team is equal to one Scrum Master, one Product Owner, and a development team. We will discuss about these accountabilities in detail in our upcoming sessions. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications.